Probably just has to do with the fact that communication between or accessing the same data from different threads is a crash. Okay, I'm gonna have to undo this and find a way to make it work this way. Basically with this to-do. Solve what this to-do asks. It joins the keyboard thread. Okay, let me try this again. So the way it's set up now, when I rerun from here, it reruns from the keyboard. If I rerun from the scene or from the file, it reruns. And from here, I assume I can quit, but I won't do that right now. Interactive embed. So how can I communicate from the GUI? It's the million-dollar question. Maybe the GUI needs a reference to... Maybe the GUI can have a reference to the renderer or something like that? Let me try. So I'll pass this the renderer. Sure. Or, since the file handler is always being regenerated, where's the file thread? This observer is always being regenerated, and I can always use that. So maybe I could use that to pass information to it. What I'll try for now is just passing the renderer. Okay, and that render is shared, or that render is not destroyed, so... This shouldn't be destroyed. If I do renderer.q.put, maybe this will fare a little better. Although I wonder if the underscore GUI has a problem with anything. Div embed. Where's the function? Because when I rerun something... oh, I want regular interact. When it gets rerun, I'm gonna check if it ends with keyboard, and if it doesn't, well, that's all it cares about, whether it ends with keyboard. So I guess that shouldn't break anything. Okay, let me try to access this from the render.scene.q. See if this helps at all. So I'll quit this. Run it again. Try using this button. It worked one time. It worked multiple times. Perfect. Great. That's what I want. So I got one thing working. Let me change this example GUI text, or example window text. Something like Manim GUI. I guess I'll have to, in order to reset the render, I'll have to quit everything. Oh, I wonder if there's a way for the render to rerun itself. In order to reset the render, I'll have to quit everything. Oh, I wonder if there's a way for the render to rerun itself. Not without stopping itself, I guess. Actually, let me see. Yeah, I guess it's the same GUI every time. That's fine. Get rid of some of this printing. Okay, cool. So, what else would be nice for this to have? I think a drop down would be nice to have. Although I'll have to find a way to update that too. Maybe I can? Solve this to-do, so that's good. First things first, let me see how to do a drop down. Hopefully it adds a menu. Okay, I guess that's close to what I want. Actually, to try this, to just check this, I can just show the demo. And I'll see which part of the demo, if there's something in the demo that does what I want. Not looking for checkboxes. Oh, no scroll bar and stuff. That can be useful. Actually, open. It would be useful if you could go to like menu open and from there choose a scene, possibly. Let me just see if there's a drop down first. Man, there's so much stuff. Okay, so basically something like this, a combo. There's a ton of these. Layout and scrolling, tooltips, pop-ups. Okay, I'm gonna see how this combo is used. The one with A, like 4 A's, B's, C's, etc. Okay. So I'll do it like this. And then here, oh, where is it? I thought I copied it. And combo, it'll be like this. And then I'll want the names of all the scenes in the file. Let me just do a random string for now. Yeah. I'll do combo selection, something like that. And how does this work? You pass it a list. And this is running. I have combo selection. This, and then I have combo selection. This, and then for maybe just 2. I try to pin some random string. So I think I can do let me see, is there, if I import string, I'm gonna do like string dot ASCII lowercase. Import random. Random dot choice. That give me 1. Can I get like 4? Guess not. If I do up on random dot choice, it's gotta be something that'll allow me to pick a few different things. Rand range choices. So looks like I can do k equals 4 or something. Okay. So I'll do random choices. ASCII lowercase k equals 4. And then join that. Hey Abergram, what's up? Okay, so this should pass, this should give this just some random strings, and then I'll pass this to the GUI, and I'll pass it on each time. And I'll also have to remove this. I'll have to rerun the GUI each time. Alright, so let me see, I'm gonna try quitting this. Try rerunning. Okay, and I do get the GUI. If I try to... Oh wait, the combo isn't there. Darn, where is it? Whoops. Spam calls. Okay, why is this combo not there? It didn't even say anything. It was just didn't appear. Let's try to rerun that. No, it's not appearing. Kind of brain dead from sleep deprivation, but that won't stop me from soliciting my unfounded opinions. No problem. I think just removing this if broke something. Okay, so this is working. Is there a way to modify this live? I guess you can get a window. Can you remove things? You can delete column, delete data, delete item. I guess it is possible. Okay, let me see if I can make this combo appear. Add combo here. I guess you need with tree node. Is that possible? Or with collapsing header? I don't think that would be possible. Maybe I need a callback. I'll just see what this demo log function is. Which I guess is just printing. Just see what this demo log function is. Which I guess is just printing. Sender and get value sender. I'll just print the sender. Okay, let's see if I can make it appear this time. I missed the architecture town hall, but I was wondering if anyone brought up the topic of community contributed language bindings for non-Python APIs. No, that didn't come up. Yeah. The combo box still didn't appear. That is super annoying. Might be too early. For non-Python APIs, I mean, Python is easy enough to use, I guess. That, I think you can just hook into the Python code. Oh, for Rust. So it depends on what you mean. Do you mean using Manim from Rust code or rewriting part of Manim's code in Rust? This isn't logging either. I'm not sure if that's supposed to happen. It probably is. So you can give it a label. Well, this one has a label and a default value. Maybe it needs all of these things. I'm gonna try just copying this. Need a little bit of each. Usually bindings involves providing a facade and the target language. Yeah, that's true. I think there's a lot more work to do before we put effort into rewriting parts of Manim. Is my opinion on it. Okay, I'm gonna try copying this exact line. The only thing I won't have here is the callback. I'll have to change. Oh, I have a demo log already. Was the town hall recorded? B Hackle recorded, I think. So I have to ask him. This combo will not appear. What if I comment some of this stuff? I was thinking more like something that can be in a contrib lib. I mean, nothing's stopping anyone from trying, really. Yeah, you can always try. Nothing wrong with that. I have no idea what's wrong with this. Core.add combo. The name is a string. Oh, do you have to pass this name? Well, let's see. It still didn't work. It's so annoying. With the music. I just did some random thing from YouTube. Is it too loud? Just leaking some Discord logs. Don't mind me. Just kidding, my Discord is frozen. My entire browser is frozen. Like elevator music. I know. My entire browser is frozen. Like elevator music. I know. Isn't that great? I don't know. Well, now you don't have to listen to it anymore because my stuff crashed. So you're in luck. Why is this not appearing? I don't understand. Oh, well. The thing is, now on Twitch, you get copyrighted if you play most music. Haven't thought of that. It doesn't make a ton of sense to me. I feel like for a while there was this controversy where um, a game developer tweeted out that streamers should have to pay game developers when they play their games on stream. And Twitch was livid. Everyone was like, oh, this is an outrage. You can never do this. Blah, 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 blah. And I thought if the music makers have a claim to it, surely the game developers do. A huge commercial enterprise, that's true. I did not expect this to be this hard just to have a combo box. Add separator? Do I need... Maybe it's better to just start from the demo and work backwards from that. RIAA has been more litigious historically. Yeah. Maybe I do need this stuff. Demo, enable, disable. What does that mean? Helper function that intended to make the demo easier to read. It's not just for external use. As command is appearing in your code, consider importing demo as demo to prevent namespace pollution. Adds a checkbox and demo help. How do you signify RAII? Yeah, one is resource acquisition is initialization. I don't know what RIAA stand for, but I know it's like digital copyright. This is making me super mad. Okay, let me try the thing after combo. Add label text, add input text. Then has a demo help? Let me try doing this. Okay, so maybe this one can work, the hello world text. Nope, now nothing is working. Add input text and then just string here. But right beneath it, this one didn't work. So why would that happen? Surely, if I did the same thing, this should add it twice. If I did the same thing, this should add it twice. Nope. Maybe that's because it needs a different label. I put string 2 here. Okay, that does work. Okay. Is there better documentation for this? I feel like I'm super guessing here. Does it sound like file or something like that? Okay. We're going in. And it's not here. Oh, it's just a pass. So somewhere in here. Oh, most of it's just this py. Oh, here's the demo.py. So I do add combo. So this is exactly what it's running. And this did work. So just a label, I guess, the list of items. Default value. guess it doesn't have this label. Just default value in the callback. This documentation is like arcane 90s language set. Yeah, this is pretty bad. I mean, at least it tells you everything that's supposed to be there. But the documentation for IMGUI is also very bad. Yeah, it's just not appearing. I don't know. That is pretty disappointing. Is this any better? Or a demo log, I guess it should be. Same thing.